friends, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today again I'm back with pick a card reading about past, present, future of this connection. This was requested by one of the viewer. So we will see past, present, future of this connection. As usual, I have three piles here, three cards here. You can choose any one of them. Then we can proceed ahead with the reading. And I'm really sorry that I'm not able to post videos every day because due to my work also the personal readings, every day I have to do the personal reading, so I'm little bit busy. But I'm trying to do work hard, like weekends I'm trying to film the videos and post to you. And this is even I like to post the videos, I like to do the tarot reading. So I will try to do it. Then whoever is the new subscribers, I welcome them. And hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This will be past, present, future of this relationship. One of the viewer has requested this reading, and I'm really sorry that I could not do everyday reading because of my work and also because of the personal readings. I was little busy, but I will try to do the readings. Actually, I like to do the readings and always I want like continuity. I will try to maintain it. And we have three piles here, three hearts here. You can choose any one of them for the reading, past, present, future of this connection. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers. Whoever is the new subscriber, I welcome them, and whoever are continuously supporting me, thanks to them. Then please note that this is general reading. It may or may not resonate with everybody, all the viewers. And if you need personal reading, my details are given below. Then please contact me via email. And if you want any more different kinds of videos, please comment in the comment box so that I will know and I can do it in the next video. Then that's all. Let's start the reading. We will see past, present, future of this connection. Archangel Michael. But before that, I should show you the piles, right? Okay. This is first pile number 1, yellow heart. Pile number 2, green and blue heart. Pile number 3, red heart. You can choose any one of the object, and you can take some time, meditate, or you can feel the energy. You can choose any pile whichever you are intuitively connected with. Then you can see the reading. Let's start with pile number 1. This yellow heart. Let's see past, present, future of this connection. Past, present, future of this connection. Let's see past, present, future of this connection. And we will take one guidance card also from Indian Tarot cards. Past, present, future of this connection. Whoever chose the pile number 1, I feel that they are lucky, and the reading is going to be very good. Okay. So in the past position, we got 3 of cups and Hierophant. Then present position, we have the Judgment and the Sun card. Then in future, we have we got the Star and the Wheel of Fortune. But I can also feel that the more major arcanas, the more red flags actually. So, but this connection is very intense and it is very strong. I can see very stable. Then I will tell you the signs. Hope you can see all the cards. Yeah, you can see the cards now. Okay, so let me tell you the signs. Actually, because major arcanas are there, that means that you are dealing with the fixed signs. That means Leo, Scorpio, then Taurus, Aquarius. Okay, you are dealing with the fixed signs. Your person might be one of the signs. Then I can see here Taurus, then with the Hierophant, then star card is there, that means Aquarius, then the Judgment, the Sun card, Wheel of Fortune, all of them are indicating the fixed signs. Okay, let's come to the reading. In the past position we have the Three of Cups and Hierophant. So in the past position, in the past you had a very nice times, wonderful times celebrating. You both were celebrating with each other and mutual friends. I feel that whoever chose this pile, they are already friends. They're already like mutual friends. They might be classmates, college mates, or colleagues, or they know each other from past. So they have mutual friends also. They had a nice time in the past, celebration, then all parties, then going out, dating. So you had a very nice time. And at the same time, the Hierophant means the stability. The always you both had a very strong bonding and understanding between each other. So you both from starting only you are feeling that you both are soulmates, and you both will have the future together, long term relationship, long term commitment, because the Hierophant card is there, means that person is very, very stable. So this person is kind of a very matured intellectual person, and this person has already, he had the feeling that you are his soulmate, and he wants to be committed with you, and he wants to have definitely the good times with you for long term. He wants to have a family, and he wants to be the head of the family. He wants to have children with you. Then this is the past energy. Then present also, the judgment. The judgments means maybe because of the distance of, or this because of the corona or pandemic, you both are separated, because I can't see any fights here. I can't see any bad indications here. Maybe your person went abroad or somewhere else, and you could not meet all these days. So you are in separation right now. So at the moment, reconciliation will happen. Like again, that person will come back to your life. Maybe I can't see any fights actually. So this person might have gone out of country or out of city, and he could not come back to you. So again, this person will be coming back to you, and you all are praying for the judgment. Like you are like waiting for this person, waiting for the message, waiting for the some news from him. So you are desperately waiting for to see him, or see her, or to meet. So definitely this is what is happening. So judgment is coming in your connection, and definitely that person is coming at the moment. In present condition, this person is coming. And the sun card means all this is related to happiness, new beginnings, new startings. Everything is very new, fresh, bright. Celebrations. Also, I can see a child here. Maybe some of the viewers, maybe some of them are pregnant, or they may be delivering the baby. So I can see a child here definitely. Maybe Hierophant means sometimes it indicates that this person is already married. Maybe a widower or a divorcee. I can see that this Taurus person. So maybe that person is having a child, and you will meet the child, or you have his child in your stomach, or you are pregnant because of him. So I can see the child also here because of the sun card. Then in future, definitely you have a lot of hope on this connection, and you will have a very bright future. And this person looks at you as a star, looks at you as a celebrity, and this person looks at you as a very what can I say, very much compatible and most desirable person in his life or her life, then in future. But this wheel of fortune is in reverse. That means time is not yet come for the marriage or engagement or final proper settlement. Okay, because wheel of fortune is in reverse position, but you no need to worry. Let it take some time also, it's okay with you, because you both have a very good understanding, mutual attraction is there, mutual understanding is there. Then you both know each other very well, understand very well. So you that person says whatever you are feeling, that person knows actually. So that kind of a relationship you have, and both understand each other. No like arguments or fights or no miscommunication. So just like soulmates, both are made for each other. That kind of a relationship you have. So if even if the wheel of fortune is in reverse also, it may not matter for you, because already you both have that much understanding, and you know that you are future partners, and you both are very strong enough in this connection. So no need of getting worried or something like that. So the time has not yet come. Okay, the wheel will turn towards you in the next future, but the time has not yet come. So you both need to wait for some time. Okay, then only the wheel will turn and the good times will come. Then you both can get married, and also you both can talk to your families, and you can get married. So but it will take some time, because wheel of fortune is in a reverse position. So let's see what angels will guide you. I did not even shuffle this card came out again, the Hierophant. Okay, so this is a double confirmation. I strongly feel that this person is either a widower, or sorry to say, he's already married actually. So but the third party relationship was there in the past, but now this person is free. So this person has divorced that person, and this person is not anymore with the third party. So definitely this person is free of everything, and he wants to give you the judgment of the to this relationship. I can see Three of Cups is there. Three of Cups means some third party was there in the past. And I forgot to mention the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also are there in this pile. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Aquarius, then Leo, Aries. Yeah, that's all fixed signs are there here. So that Hierophant again came, that means strongly it indicates the Taurus person. So you might be dealing with strongly a Taurus person. This person is elder to you, this person is older to you, but universe is saying that trust this connection, trust this person, because this person is very very genuine person. You are made for each other, and this is divine connection. So universe is asking you to trust divine timing, because wheel of fortune is also in reverse. So universe is asking you to give some time to this connection, give some breathing time to think and proceed ahead, because this is not so easy to get married, and because of this past relationship or karmic partner. So universe is also telling that trust that person, whoever you are dealing with, that person is very very good person, you have to trust him. That's all universe is trying to say. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Then see you tomorrow with another reading. Until then, bye. Okay, whoever chose this blue and green card, heart. So let's see what is coming next in their life. Past, present, future of this relationship. Past, present, future of this relationship. Past, present, future of this relationship, please. Whoever chose the pile number 2, past, present, future of this connection. 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 Yes. Okay. One more card flipped, and that is outcome card. That is the outcome for your relationship. Okay. Yes, I can see here 9 of cups in the past position, 9 of cups, 2 of cups, then in the present position 3 of swords in reverse, wheel of fortune, then in future the sun card and knight of swords. Okay, so I can see all of them. Then let me talk to you regarding the signs. I can see here Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And one more thing, this is outcome card. 10 of cups is the outcome card, which I did not pull. It came automatically, so I didn't want to ignore that. Hope you can see. Okay, yeah. So Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then all the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is more here. Then I can see the major arcanas. That means fixed signs, Taurus, then Leo, Aquarius, and Scorpio. Okay, your person can be any of that. You or your person might be any of the signs. Then let's see here. In the past position, we have 9 of cups in reverse. Okay, so that means in the past, this person was not alone. Like he was not a bachelor, or this person is having some other karmic partner. Then because it is in reverse, and this person wanted you, but still the problem was because of the karmic partner. He could not move ahead, and he could not express his feelings, or he could not commit to you. He could not express his feelings freely, or even he knows that he has lot of attraction towards you, because 9 of cups is there. 9 of cups means lot of love, and it is about to complete. Your connection is about to go to next level. That means marriage, engagement. Okay, so this person this person was holding back his feelings, his emotions. This person was everything he was hiding, actually deceptive. This person was not freely communicating. So you also felt that why this person is doing like this. Is this person a flirt or a player? This person is not even talking to me properly. Once on and off this person is. So what to do? So you were confused in the past, but you both are soulmates, and you both might be friends, colleagues, college mates, schoolmates, or you both know each other very well, because 2 of cups is there. That means partnership. You might be business partners also, but you both are partners. Okay, so you know each other. This is not a new connection. So this person was offering you cup of love, and you both were exchanging cup of love. That means you both know each other, and you both have feelings towards each other. Both are attractive towards each other, but the problem is you both are not expressing, because the 9 of cups was in reverse. That means this person and you both are communicating with each other soul level, not directly in the 3D. You are not you both have not told each other I love you or something like that. You didn't propose each other, because this person was into third party relationship. Some karmic connection was there, so in the past. Then and after that he ghosted you, or you ghosted him. Something happened, because this person, you felt that this person is very deceptive. This person is playing with me, like that. Your feelings were there in the past, but at the present moment you both are healing, because the 3 of swords is there. That means you both had a very bad breakup, heartbreak. You both blocked each other, or you both blocked each other in the social media, WhatsApp, anywhere you blocked each other. Then you both had a very bad heartbreak, and you both are in separation right now. You both are not together. No communication, no talking, no contact. But now at the moment, at present, you both are healing yourself because of the pandemic, and because of the corona and all, you are getting lot of time to think and contemplate why this happened, why what happened in the past. Our connection was so well, so good, we both were communicating so nicely, and we both had a very nice talking, then chatting and all. It was very nice. And I can tell one more thing is, this person might be a long distance to you. Because of the wheel of fortune, I can say that this person is not near to you. So you both might be only online communication, online calling, texting and all. So you both were at the moment, you both are very heartbroken, but it came in reverse. That means you both are healing from the heartbreak, okay, at the moment. And wheel of fortune. So now at present, in the present position, the wheel of fortune means that wheel is turning into your favor. That means whatever is happened, what that is for your own good. Okay, this is wheel is turning into your favor. And because of this separation, you both missed each other a lot, deadly. Like you both miss each other every minute, every second. Like you couldn't sleep at night because of the heartbreak. You couldn't sleep, you were obsessively thinking about each other, both of you. Actually, this is mutual, this is not one-sided. So now wheel is turning into your favor. And you are feeling like more pleasant, peaceful, because some clarification. Maybe you might be seeing the synchronicity also, maybe 1111, 222, 333. So you might be seeing repeated numbers in your daily life, and you might be seeing white feathers, or some animals might be coming towards you or giving some signals. That means your ancestors or passed away parents, or somebody ancestors or grandparents, somebody is giving you signal that good times are coming ahead, good times are coming for you, don't worry, we are there. Angels and spirit guides are guiding you a lot. And you, maybe some people are doing manifestation, law of attraction, then some people are doing meditation. So all these things are working together right now. At the moment, the wheel is turning into your favor, and this is divine timing has come. Till now you were waiting for the divine timing, and now the time has come. Definitely this person will contact you. So now let's go to the future position. Future position, we have Sun card and Knight of Swords. Sun card is always the happy outcome, bright and fresh. And I can see a child also. Maybe you are pregnant, or you are pregnant, you already have a child, or that person has a child, because maybe that person is already because I can say the third party and karmic partner is there already in the past. So that means maybe that person is having a child, or you might be having a children or child. So you both will be coming together because of the Sun card. Happy times, enjoyment, bright. Now till now you were in the dark energy, crying, sobbing, sad, depressed. So all the things are going away, like flying. All the bad things, negative things are going away, and you are coming into brightness. Bright sunlight is coming into your life. So that's what I can see. So this person is coming towards you. Knight of Swords means he is running. Maybe in days you will receive a message from this person, maybe in days, because this person is having that transformation in his life, because maybe this karmic partner also now left him. So he's right now he's a single stable person, and this person is missing you a lot. So no more obstacles in your love connection. So this person want to run and come. Always Knight of Swords means action card. So this person now, he is not able to think anything else apart from you. So this person is coming towards you. Whatever may be the future, he doesn't know the future, what will happen in the future, he is not aware. He is coming ferociously with a rage, with a lot of desperate he is to meet you, to come towards you. So he is coming on a horse with a really with a ferocious energy. This person is coming. He want to clear with the sword all the miscommunication, misunderstandings, whatever quarrels, fights and all. He want to cut it off with the sword, and he want to have a beauty beautiful family with you. So outcome card is 10 of cups. That means a beautiful family, children. So you both definitely will be having a beautiful family, and very good fortune you will have together, and you both will be happy together. That is the outcome of this relationship. Very, very positive reading, pile number 2. Whoever chose this, I'm very happy for you all the best and congratulations also. Let us see one more guidance card. Spirit guides, angel, so please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity, please give us some clarity, give us some guidance. Okay, the judgment is the reconciliation. Okay, so in this case it is reconciliation. Normally it says that judgments means it is ending of the relationship, but when we have all these cards, it can mean that it is a reconciliation. That means you and your person are very, very away from each other and missing each other. So you both are very much desperately want to meet each other. I can see 10 here. So October might be very prominent for you. October month, here also I can see 20 here. So 10. So I feel that strongly in the month of October you both might have something like maybe engagement or marriage. So possible marriage might happen. So this pile is very, very lucky and fortunate. Reconciliation will happen and you both will be happily married ever after. Congratulations friends, hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If it resonates, please comment friends. I would love to read your comments and I enjoy your comments. Please comment if this pile resonates with you. I love to read. Okay, that's all I have for you friends. Then let's go to the next pile. So pile number 3, this beautiful red heart. Whoever chose the red heart, so this reading is for them. So let's see what is happening in your past, present, future of this connection. We will see what is the past, present, future of this connection. We'll see past, present, future of this connection. This is the past, present, future of this connection. Spirit guides, angels, please give us some cards for past, present, future of this connection. Past, present, future of this connection. Okay, now let's see. We have in the past position we have judgment and 7 of cups. Then in the present position we have 10 of wands, then 2 of swords in reverse. In future position we have king of wands, then 7 of wands. So here I can clearly see that you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Fire signs energy is more here. Then some of you might be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and also you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and some of them might be dealing with the fixed signs, Taurus, Aquarius, Leo and Scorpio. Okay, so these are all the positive possible zodiac signs that you might be dealing with. You or your person might be one of these zodiac signs. Okay, so in the past we can see the judgment card and also we can see the 7 of cups. Okay, so you, whomever you are dealing with, that person had some third party in his life. So then judgment happened. That means that relationship ended. Okay, some judgment came, and because of that they both got separated. And this person had lot of opportunities and a lot of options, and you were one of them. Okay, you also know that. So this person was not able to choose whom to choose, because this person had so many options, and he is daydreaming, has a hallucination, no, he couldn't sleep also, he's in the very dark energy, greedy, what to get, oh my god, I have this option, that option. He was very much confused actually. This person is all over the places, he was dating so many people, and this person was not in a position to commit to anybody. So this person was very confused, and whom to choose. So many options were there. You can see the 7 cups here. Then he had so many multiple people in his life. One person already he had a breakup with, or a judgment, or like a divorce or something like that. But this person, after that also he had many options to choose. He was kind of in a player energy, flirt energy. So this person was enjoying his life in the past, but he didn't give you any commitment, but he was very romantic with you. We are talking nicely, talking sweet words, all sweet talks and all. Because of that you have avoided this person. Maybe you blocked him, or you are not answering his calls, or even if you are talking also, very less communication. Or some people, they might not have any communication at all. Okay, then at the present moment this person is facing lot of problems, lot of responsibilities. So this person is trying to walk away from this connection. He is trying to, because you blocked him, or you gave him nicely, or you have given him lot of what do you say, knowledge, like you are going in a wrong direction, you are dealing with so many people, this is very bad karma. So you gave him lot of jnana, okay, a lot of wisdom. So this person is very much depressed, and he feels that now he is regretting actually. This person is feeling very bad for all his bad deeds in the past. Then this person is having so many responsibilities in his life right now. Maybe he lost his job, or what, he's searching for job because of the pandemic. Maybe this person is not having any job. So this person is very much into very bad condition right now. He has so many responsibilities, even family responsibilities also are there for him. So he right now he's not thinking about you anymore. Right now at the moment this person is, because of the so many other problems, other issues, this person is completely concentrating on them, and moving away from your connection. Even though this person is missing you very badly, but this person is not in a position to think about you right now. Then this two of swords card in reverse, that means all the confusion is gone now. Now this person will be choosing you, because this person, two of swords in reverse, two of swords means confusion, but it came in reverse. That means all his confusions are gone now, all this daydreaming and all gone. Now he knows who is best for him, who is trustworthy, who is good for him in his life, because now he is in a very bad position. Nobody is, whomever he roamed with, whomever he dated, those people are not giving him any support. So now this person knows that you are the only person, you are the genuine person that he missed actually. So he is regretting a lot, and he is out of the confusion. Now he is very much determined that you are the only person for him. So now this person is thinking, will start thinking about you and this connection. In the future we have king of wands. That means now this whole concentration, all the attraction and all, it will turn to you. So now he is in the future he will come into a, again he will come back to his position, like king position. Now he will get the job, then he will be in sitting on his throne, and very very passionate towards you. Wants energy means lot of lust, sex, then attraction. So this person is very very passionate towards you. He will come towards you with a lot of passion, attraction, and this person want to have the physical intimacy. So but he is having a good intentions only, not very bad, but you have to be very careful with this person, because this person is having the feelings of this physical intimacy. then in future this person will fight for you, fight for this connection. 7 of Wands you can see here. This person will fight for this connection and stand up for this connection, and he will give the justice to this connection. Definitely in future this person will come towards you, and he will fight for this connection. Maybe he might have to fight with the society or his family or his friends, I don't know, but this person will stand strong for this connection and support you. That's what I can see. Let's see the guidance card from Indian tarot cards, sacred Indian tarot. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance. What pile number 3 should get the guidance? Please give us one guidance card, and please give us some guidance. Whoever chose pile number 3, please give them some guidance in this connection. Please give them some guidance. Okay, the Lovers. It's a very, very positive card. So universe is saying that you both are lovers, and you have to trust each other, because maybe this person was in the past position, he was like a flirt or a player, but right now this person is working hard for this connection. In future he will work hard for this connection, and you both are lovers. You both love each other unconditionally. Like a Lovers card came in the love reading, that is very, very positive sign. So this is the outcome, and this is the guidance card for you. So you should understand that this is you both love each other unconditionally, and you both cannot live separately. So you have to trust the universe and proceed ahead, and be nice to this person when he comes back, and be careful also with the Wands energy. Okay, this physical attraction and all, you should be little bit careful. That's all I have for you. Pile number 3. Hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye.